How to make money on OnlyFans without showing your body. I'm going to show you how you can make money on OnlyFans without even showing your body. First off, you need to be a manager. But how do you become a manager, right? First, create an enticing strategy. Use social media platforms to promote your service, including management skills, content creation, and engaging with fans. The goal is to present yourself as an asset to potential creators. You may also research communities where you can find talents that are willing to showcase their body. One example is reddit.com. Here you can easily search for not safe for work content, and you would find a lot of people that are already showing their body. Some for free, but some already has an OnlyFans account. And once you have a deal with content creators, ensure you provide them exceptional support. Engage with them regularly and offer insights on performance metrics, because building a positive relationship can lead to referrals and a growing roster of satisfied customers.